Alright, so welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing an exterior detail on a Scion FR-S. This car's got bird poop on it, dirt, water spots. It was just shipped over from the mainland, so on the boat ride over, man, it really got filthy. Alright, let's get all that off of there. Today we'll be using Adam's Mega Foam, MTM Foam Cannon, Adam's Car Shampoo, and our wash mitt. We'll put some car shampoo in the wash bucket, fill it up, fill our rinse bucket. Now for the wheels, we'll use Brake Buster, the IK sprayer, wheel brush, tire brush, and our boar's hair brush. Let's go ahead and put some Brake Buster in the IK sprayer and top it off with water, fill up our rinse bucket, and get that pressure washer fired up. So here's the rinse bucket. A little bit of dirt in it, not much because we power washed it all off. Our wash bucket, crystal clear, no dirt whatsoever. The bucket we use to clean the wheels, full of brake dust. Nasty. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button as we appreciate each and every one of our subscribers. If you like garage upgrades, we have cool playlists with a bunch of garage upgrades in it. We also have car detailing, tips, tutorials, and products. And we also have some Tesla videos that are pretty cool too. So again, thanks for coming by, and we'll catch you on the next one.